Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check who issued the certificate, the exact domain names covered, and the expiry date so you know what to replace and why. Once done, back up your WordPress files and database. A corrupt cert install can break the site. Make sure you have access to your hosting control panel, SSH or cPanel SSL manager, and the private key or CSR used originally. These items let you request or install a new certificate without downtime. You generate a CSR that matches your domain and SAN. This ensures browsers trust the certificate. If you use a CA, submit the CSR and validate ownership. If you prefer an automated option, run CertBot for Let's Encrypt to get a free cert quickly. Once you receive the cert and intermediate chain, upload the certificate, chain, and private key to your server or hosting SSL interface. Restart the web server or apply changes in the control panel so WordPress begins serving the new certificate immediately. You finalize by forcing HTTPS in wp-config. PHP, update the WordPress address and site address to HTTPS / and clear any caching. Then test the certificate with SSL Labs and in multiple browsers to confirm the chain, hostname match, and absence of mixed content. If something breaks, check for a private key mismatch or a missing intermediate chain. Reinstalling the chain usually resolves trust errors. And if pages show insecure content, replace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.